Hey guys, what's up? We're drunk. Yes, you are. Wait, what? I'm confused.
Hey guys, so as you know, this is our 4th of July. Vidi, vi, 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 vidi, vi, vidi, vi, vidi, video. Yeah. It was supposed to upload on the actual 4th of July, but it was too dark to take the camera and we totally failed. He is. So, the show's here right now, so why don't you enjoy it while we show some fireworks for you? Okay.
Beautiful girls. Lay. Sir. Yeah.
Kane is in the building.
Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it comes to the show. What's up? Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it comes to the show goes on. Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they disc, unaffected by they threats, then get busy on they. See, that's how that shit down made me. That's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Go on and put your hands up. When times is hard, you stand up. Now you be the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up. Already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it come up. The show goes on alright. Already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it come up. The show goes on. One in the air for the people ain't here. Two in the air for the father that's there. Three in the air for the kids in the ghetto. Four for the kids that don't wanna be there. None for the niggas trying to hold him back. Five in the air for the teachers not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back that the world is theirs. Yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified.
Self-annihilation.
I will give up everything, even start a world war for these ghetto girls and boys. I'm rapping around the world for Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour, Oakland out to Oakland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy. Already the show goes on.
It's been a good year, everybody. It's not the new year, it's the 4th of July. It's not the 4th of July. So we made a video for nothing.
The video was for 4th of July. You're just getting confused.
Wait, so we aren't getting paid? No, but this is really a 4th of July video, and we truly failed on the timing. We would also like to celebrate our first actual video, not just a lame, retarded trailer for nothing whatsoever.
I directed that.
Yes, you did. And goodbye. You should watch more videos.
Now.
Now.
Peace out. That was kind of lame. Dude, look out!
Oh. Oh.
He deserved that.